What is good, Cardano fam, ADA gang? We have lots of exciting updates to unpack today, and we're going to discuss the rate cuts, the price crash, and more. So hit that subscribe, hit that like. LBank ranks Cardano ADA as the 6th most traded futures. Kraken, serving over 10 million clients, adds new trade pair, Cardano ADA paired with USDC. Now, today they announced a bunch of new pairs with USDC by Circle, 19 pairs. And it's great to see ADA on that list. Hopefully, we see SNEK and many other Cardano native tokens listed there and other high quality tier 1 exchanges. wallstreetbets predicts Cardano ADA becomes the official lobbyist currency in 2025. Now, it's a little bizarre, this statement. People were like, is this positive? Yes, this implies regarding the efficiency and the speed and the reliability and the resilience. That is what is going on with wallstreetbets making such a prediction, and also predicting XRP Ripple takes over the stable market. We know Charles really likes RLUSD, so I think it's great that ADA and XRP can continue to foster a good relationship. World Mobile WMTX CRUSHES, a poll by DePIN Degen with over 3,600 votes, 8 times more than Helium. Again, proves how massive the community is for World Mobile, another blue chip DePIN play. VESPR wallet, it's a fantastic wallet, really good user experience. And they just announced fiat on and off ramp. Deposit or withdraw ADA using a debit card directly from your wallet. This is fantastic with the crescendos of altcoin season around the corner. I think it's great to have fiat on and off ramps, so that's nice. TopperPay. Tap Tools, top accumulated tokens in the last 30 days. Leading the way is SNEK, of course, HOSKY, Fluid Tokens, World Mobile, Chad, MinSwap, Splash, and then finally, last but not least, Iagon. This is a fantastic list. A lot of high quality Cardano native tokens. And again, over the last 30 days, the Cardano ecosystem has experienced a significant surge with more than 3.78 million ADA flowing into the market. And this is an older post that was shared by Cardano Whale a couple days ago, of course. Kris, one of the founders of CryptoDotCom. I think he's also the CEO, if I'm not mistaken. He says, honored to have a seat at the table, a pick with Donald Trump. And this is significant. Why? Well, it looks like Kris really likes Cardano because if we remember, just about a month ago, he said it's blue chip season. And 2 projects that continue to get scapegoated, ADA and XRP. Of course, Crow, but of these 4, right? ADA, XRP, blue chip season, crypto.com, I kind of like these matches. Now, let's talk about what was going on with the announcement by the government today, Federal Reserve cuts. So they had cuts by 25 points, and so that's responsible for the crash that we see. And I think that we may have one more cut coming, but at the end of the day, I think this is actually a healthy capitulation before we Giga Chad send it. And I think that also it was this plus the fact that he also said, Jerome Powell said that the Fed is quote unquote not allowed to own Bitcoin. It's a very short YouTube clip, and it wasn't like a definitive no. It was evident that he was kind of formulating his answer in a thoughtful manner. So I think that we're not going to see a massive pullback to Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin's going to revisit 80K, 87K. There might be a little bit more downside, or the downside might have just been completely fulfilled. Now, I did tell you guys yesterday that I took profits with my ADA. I sold 50 to 60% of my bag to de-risk the amount of ADA that I've been accumulating since 2020 at the 25-cent local floor. But I'm taking a close look to DCA in again also. And if I buy some more, again, I will let you guys know. That's my commitment, to let you guys know whenever I sell, whenever I buy. Still without DCA buying more right now, ADA is still my number 1 altcoin bag, alongside XRP and alongside BTC. But right now, it's looking very impressive, the fact that we bounced right off of 92 cents, 93 cents. We just bounced right back up, and we're holding at the critical levels. Around $1 support is critical. Otherwise, if we start to break out and go beneath like 90 cents, we might start going down to like the mid 80s. But I think the market is holding off pretty well. And yeah, I think that right now we just have to be patient, take a look at the market, evaluate your own risk, do a quick temperature check with your own portfolio. It's natural to expect some sort of massive corrections. I don't think we're out of the corrections just yet, but we've been bouncing back pretty successfully. If you recall recently, just about a week ago, December 10th, we went to 92 cents and then we ballooned right back up to 117. So in the short term, there's going to be these dips, but when you zoom out, again, it's minuscule in the grand scheme of things. So I still think that there's massive upside potential still for ADA, XRP, BTC, and the rest of the altcoins. I'm also keeping a close look at Litecoin, albeit I removed it from TradingView. Here I made Cardano the dominant chart here, and we can see that we bounced right off of that 93 cent. It went down quite steep, but people gobbled up the dip. Let me know if you DCA if you bought any, and I'm gonna continue to take a look. If it continues with some more downside, then I think I'm gonna scoop up some more ADA, scoop up some more XRP. Those are my top two picks, really. I like to keep things pretty simple. Now, I know a lot of people were like, oh, you're getting out early. But at the end of the day, guys, everyone should have a different strategy. Don't even copy what I do. Just follow what works for you, for your life, for your family, for your goals, for your milestones, for your costs and your expenses. And I think that it's best for, that's part of why I made Angry Crypto, is that best for people to just be committed to disclosure. Rather than doing that, I'm never selling, right? Because we hear that from a lot of people, but are they truly, quote unquote, never selling? So whenever I do sell ADA, you will know. If I happen to buy and DCA into ADA and accumulate more, I will also let you guys know, just so you know what I'm doing. Whatever you guys want to do with that, that's your call. Let it not be a means of like, just because I sell doesn't mean you have to copy and replicate that strategy sort of situation. So I think ADA is looking pretty good. Cardano Foundation hosted a space today, and I'm pretty confident in Cardano Foundation. I actually kind of like Cardano Foundation. I think that most of their stuff is just being patient and trying to have restraint and have safeguard rails and take time. I know Charles gets very passionate, it gets very heated to protect ADA and the power dynamics with Cardano. But I think that all in all, guys, I'm very happy that many of the fund proposals were approved by Iagon, Tap Tools, Sundial. Many other key ones were approved. And so we're just going to continue to watch the market. Where do you guys think that it's headed from here? How much lower do you think it's going to go? Do you think that we're going to continue to go down lower than this? Or is this pretty much the floor? Because it's held up pretty well, all things considered. A massive steep down jump to 0.92 and then immediately, just minutes later, running back up in less than an hour, back to 9.7. So pretty resilient, the chart all in all. In terms of the biggest gainers and the biggest losers, biggest gainers still has definitely been the hyperliquid, has been going crazy. Decentralized perpetuals has been going insane. That's a massive narrative this bull run. Biggest losers, dog with hat. I mean, who cares about that trash? Moving over. No offense, you know. Pepe, I might actually get some Pepe. What do you guys think about Pepe? It's classic. I really don't care about dog with hat. No offense, and I'm sorry if you guys have it. It's not my cup of tea. Pepe pretty classic. Bonk is kind of classic. Cardano, of course. SNEK is pretty classic. In terms of the other ones, I mean, Cardano's doing pretty good, guys. Pretty good. If we go to the biggest gainers, Cardano's not done too bad, actually. All things considered, I mean, Cardano is almost not even in the double digits of losses. So there are many other projects, like XRP is down further for 24-hour. Dogecoin is down worse in the 24-hour and 7-day. So still, like, Cardano's actually doing pretty good. And I remember when Cardano flipped Tron and people were like, oh, this is just a one-day thing. No, it's continued to keep it that way. And Tron has not continued to add market capitalization. Actually, that moment that we flipped Tron just kind of chilled and only added a few billion, and we continued to basically double our market cap. So for me, I'm in a very chill zen mode right now where I de-risked, and I'm going to continue to cover Cardano ADA to my best ability every single day. keep the disclosure with you guys, and also DCA buy in more if I see some good Black Friday deals. So let me know what price ranges you guys expect for the rest of December. What do you guys think about the announcement by Jerome Powell? One regarding BTC, I think it's just a nothing burger. People are taking it too seriously. The rate cuts, though, that's basically responsible for what we see, because a lot of it doesn't really make any sense. But at the end of the day, I think that the rate cuts are just going to Giga Chad send us further and pull the slingshot back with this sort of correction, capitulation that we have with the market. Cardano has been showing to be pretty resilient to bounce right back up. So things are looking pretty good all in all for the long-term forecast. Let me know your thoughts. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. If you have any favorite projects you want me to check out, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next Angry Crypto Show.